My name is Sid Chaney. I'm 87 years old and sitting on a park bench in Basildon. Recently, I left the Royal Court of Justice having 2 years' experience of suing Gerry Gable. The outcome of that case was that the cost, when it reached £80,000, nobody could pay, I certainly couldn't pay, and so consequently the case went by default. The £80,000 is to be paid by Gable, and he's got to split that with the royal solicitors that he had employed. In the 2 years in court, I never had no solicitors or anything. I had to do it myself. And I would like to say to people, if Gable ever defames you on that internet or in these papers, Searchlight, you've got every right to sue him. One other thing I'd like to mention, some people might say, if Sid at the age of 87 goes to London at the Royal Court of Justice, week after week, month after month, and year after year, because it's lasted for 2 years, how does he get the go? Well, I get the go simply because the court treats me, although they like to treat me differently perhaps, but it's because of Mackenzie. Now, many of the viewers of this video might not know who Mackenzie was. Well, there was a case in Edinburgh about 50 years ago in which a defendant in court had no solicitor, couldn't afford it, and he was stuttering, he couldn't make his case out clear. The judge angrily stopped the case and says, "Is there anybody in this court can help this man?" And then Mr. Mackenzie stood up at the back of the court and said, "I think I can help this man." So the judge stopped the case for half hour to go and talk to Mr. Mackenzie with the client, and they went out in the back room. When they come back, Mr. Mackenzie spoke for this defendant in court, and he won the case because he could put it clearly. And so from then onwards, this is now what they call case law. Any person who hasn't got money should represent themselves in court or the magistrate's court, might be on a fine for a car or anything like that. If you've got a friend who's got knowledge and can speak, that person can speak for you in court. If you just say to the judge or magistrate, "I'm his Mackenzie friend," and he can't do nothing about it because that is now law due to Mr. Mackenzie in Scotland. Thank you.